Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Usha. Hope you all are fine with your family. So today I am going to share with you the recipe of kheer. So for kheer we needed ingredient. We need rice, full cream milk, and for garnishing we need almonds and cashew. So without further delay, let's get started the preparation of kheer. So for kheer, here I am taking a small bowl of rice. I am taking normal rice here. If you want, you can take kheer rice also. First we'll wash it and we will keep it for cook. We need to overcook the rice. So here I have washed the rice and added water also. Now I will close the and we will give 1 and 2 whistles to it. So after 1 and 2 whistles, you can see this is our overcooked rice are done. Now I will transfer it to another pan. If you want, you can cook in the same vessel also. So now you can see this is the overcooked rice. I have added little more water in it, and now I will add 1 crushed green cardamom. We will mix all properly and we'll cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now as you can see, after 2-3 minutes our overcooked rice are done. Now I will add 2 liter milk in it. I am using full cream milk. If you want, you can use toned milk also. So after adding milk, we will mix it properly. Mix properly all the rice and milk together, and we have to clear all the lumps of rice slowly and mix it well like this. Slowly mix it, and we have to cook it on low flame. After mixing all the rice and milk properly, now we need to leave it for cooking for an hour. First we will give a boil on a high flame, then we need to reduce the flame and cook it on a low flame. So now as you can see, after keeping on high flame, it started boiling. Now I will reduce the flame and we will cook on a low flame for 1 hour. Remember, keep on stirring your kheer. Do not leave it unattended for a long time. Slowly stir it and cook it on a low flame only. Like this we have to give a boil. As you can see, milk has also reduced a little. Now I will add half liter more milk into it. Again I will mix it properly and we will cook it on a low flame. The process we need to follow: first we need to give a boil on a high flame. After boiling, again we need to slow the flame and we need to cook it on a low flame only till it reduced. And do not forget to stirring your kheer every time. So now as you can see, the milk is also reducing. Now I will add sugar in it. I am adding 1 ball of sugar in it. Sugar you can add as per your taste. If you like more sweeter, so you can add more sugar into it. After adding sugar, mix it properly and again leave it for cooking on a low flame. Like this, as you can see, milk has reduced a lot and the thickness is also good, right? So it is all done. Now we need to garnish. Now I'm adding almonds and cashew in it, and after adding almonds and cashew we will again stir it properly. So this, you can see, our yummy and tasty kheer is done. So please do cook it for your friends and family. The tips which we need to remember while cooking kheer. First tip, less rice and more milk we needed. Second tip which we need to remember, cook your kheer on a low flame and do not leave your kheer unattended for a long time, otherwise it will start burning from the bottom. Third tip which we need to remember, as long as you will cook your kheer on a low flame, that much richest and tastier your kheer would be. Fourth tip which we need to remember, please use full cream milk if you want your kheer to be richest and tastier. The same you can use toned milk also, but cream milk give it more richest look. So this is all the recipe. Hope you really liked it. Please do cook it for your family and your friends. If you really liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe to it. And if any suggestion, please do mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.